Welcome to my web series Mobile and Wireless Communication subject. This is a subject for 5th semester in the Diploma of Electronics and Telecommunication department. So today in this subject chapter 1 is wireless communication system. So today we see a topic transmission section of mobile handset. This is one of the block of cellular phone system. I am Mr. S.S. Asne, lecturer in the Electronics and Telecommunication department, CSMS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. So today we see about the transmitter section of cellular mobile phone system. In this block diagram of transmitter section, there are various blocks: phase modulator, mixer, amplifiers, directional coupler, duplexer, automatic power control circuit. These are the various blocks in the transmitter section. So this transmitter section is a cellular mobile transmitter, is an basically a low power FM transmitter. It is a low power FM transmitter which operate in the frequency range of 825 to 845 megahertz. And second point, there are 666 transmit channel and spacing between the adjacent channel is 30 kilohertz. So this is all about the basic point about the transmitter section. Now start with the working of the transmitter section. So this is a carrier input which is coming from the frequency synthesizer. It is a input to the phase modulator section, and along with the amplified voice signal. So this is amplified voice signal. This is a microphone. After that audio amplifier. The voice signal is given to the phase modulator section. And second one input, it is a carrier input which is coming from frequency synthesizer. Then this output of phase modulator section is applied to the mixer section. Again, input to the mixer section comes from frequency synthesizer. This modulator output is convert to final transmitter frequency using the mixer. This mixer section. The mixer output is applied to the cascade of class C power amplifier stages. So this is a class C power amplifier stages. The input to the amplifier is given from a mixer section, means output of the mixer is given to the class C power amplifier stages. Then next, the final amplifier stages in the cascade is designed to supply 3 watt to the antenna if mobile unit is mounted on a vehicle, and only 500 milliwatt if it is a handheld unit. So this is given to the antenna cellular transmitters. Then automatic power control circuit control the output power of the transmitter automatically with the help of power output detector and DC amplifier. So using these two blocks, power output detector and DC amplifier, automatic power control circuit control the power automatically and the given to the logic section or logic unit. Transmitter output is fed to the duplexer or isolator. That is a duplexer we also called as a isolator. So output of duplexer or isolator which allow the transmitter and receiver to share the same antenna. It isolate the signal from receiver and transmitting signal. So transmitter and receiver frequency are spaced by 45 megahertz from each other to avoid any interference. The carrier input for the phase modulator and local oscillator frequency signal for the mixer, that is up converter, are produced by frequency synthesizer. The most important feature of transmitter is that its output power can be controlled by the cell site and MTSO, that is mobile telecommunication switching office. A receiver picks up the specifical control signal and send them to the automatic power control circuit, which set the transmitter output power level to one of the possible 8 level. Due to this EPC, the receiving signal from the cell side become adequately strong and interference is reduced with the other station in same or adjacent cell. So due to duplexer use two band pass filter with the very sharp frequency response. One filter is used for transmitter and other for receiver. So all these points are about the transmitter section. The most important point, that is future of transmitter section. First, future, that is operating frequency range of a transmitter section is 825 to 845 megahertz. Then next feature is a type of modulation. Type of modulation for transmitter section, it is use of frequency modulation techniques. Then number of channels, that is 666. Frequency band for each slot is 30 kilohertz. Output power is 500 milliwatt. And sixth feature, separation between transmitter and receiver frequency is 45 megahertz. So this is all about the future about the transmitter section. The last mostly question asked, that is draw the block diagram of transmitter section unit of mobile handset and set its function in cellular handset. So this type of question mostly asking are draw the block diagram of mobile phone unit transmitter, explain its working. So this type of question are asked in the MSBT question paper. So thank you very much. Subscribe my channel MS Learning Center. Comment on video. If any queries, ask on comment box. Once again, thank you very much watching for this video.